that chapter on emission systems was... Run and try. Connected to the crankshaft, and the crankshaft connect.